Hi guys, welcome to my video for this week. If you're new here, my name is Molly, and subscribe to my channel so you get all my videos. Click the bell button so you get a notification. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back for this week's meal prep video. It's gonna be really great this week. I'm actually short on time, so I'm going to meal prep all of my meals for the week in less than an hour. So I wanted to share that with you. I'm gonna do lunch, breakfast, snack. Everything is gonna be really quick, really easy, and everything's gonna be portioned out and ready to go for the week. I'll have the recipe for all of this in the description box, so check that out. I also have my meal prep containers. I love my little snack pack containers that I have on my back counter. They're really great, got them on Amazon. I have mason jars as well, and I have my lunch meal prep containers that I love. Everything will be linked in the description box, so check that out if you need any new meal prep containers. So I'm going to do a sheet pan broccoli beef recipe, really delicious. So I have my flat iron steak, I have broccoli, and I'm going to do a side of riced cauliflower. And for the sauce, it's gonna be honey. I have liquid aminos to keep it keto. You can use soy sauce if you'd like. I have sesame oil. I have this ground ginger. It's really delicious in these kind of soy sauce based recipes. And have minced garlic to make up the sauce for the broccoli beef. And then for breakfast, I'm going to do a chia seed pudding. So yummy, I love these. It's almond milk. I use original and unsweetened. It's 35 calories per serving. 30 calories per serving, so super low in calories. I have my chia seeds, big bag here. I love chia seeds. They're really high in fiber, keep you really full all morning long, so it's really great. I'm gonna add some blueberries and strawberries into that as well, and I have some sugar-free syrup. So that will be for my breakfast. And for snack, I have cottage cheese, love cottage cheese, high in protein, raspberries. I have some diced up cooked chicken that I've already had made, and I have some almonds. So I'll portion that into my snack pack containers. So like I said, this is gonna be really quick because I'm short on time today, but lunch, breakfast, and snacks will be all ready to go. So first I'm going to do the sauce for the broccoli beef. So I have a half a cup of liquid aminos. I have a teaspoon of minced up garlic. I have a teaspoon of the minced ginger. I have 2 tablespoons of honey. And I have 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. So I'm going to whisk it all together in my bowl. And I have my steak. I have it all sliced up into thin slices, and I'm going to mix it all around to coat with the sauce, and this is going to be really yummy. So it's all coated and ready to go. I'm going to set it onto my cookie sheet that I have lined with my baking mat. You guys know that I love using this baking mat, that it really helps with quick cleanup. So I have all the steak laid out flat, and I'm going to add in the broccoli. I use just broccoli that's already chopped up in the bag. You can buy a head of broccoli also and chop it up yourself. But like I said, this is a really quick meal prep this week. So I'm going to add a little bit of sesame oil on top of the broccoli, and I'm going to bake this for 15 minutes. So now I'm going to make my chia seed pudding while the broccoli beef is cooking. So I'm going to use a cup of almond milk, and I love these mason jars because they have measurement on the side, so you don't have to dirty a measuring cup. So now I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. It depends how thick you want your pudding to be, but I like to do 3 tablespoons per cup of milk. So I'm going to add that in. And then I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of sugar-free syrup. This makes it really delicious. I'm going to give each one a stir to mix up the ingredients so far. So the almond milk, chia seeds, and syrup. So I'm going to give these a stir. And then I'm going to add in my fruit. So I have some chopped up strawberries. These strawberries are really delicious, so I'll add those in. I have my blueberries. I've already washed my fruit, so it's ready to go. So I'm going to add in the blueberries into my mason jars as well. And we're ready to go with the chia seed pudding. So now for snacks, I have my snack prep containers that I absolutely love. Really great quality. I love the bright colors of the lids. I will link these in the description. I got them on Amazon. They're really wonderful. So I'm going to do cottage cheese, and I'm just going to do 2 spoonfuls. It makes about a half of a cup, sometimes a third of a cup. So it's a really great portion size. And I have some lightly roasted, I have roasted and lightly salted almonds, so I'm going to add in a little handful of those. I have my diced up cooked chicken, so I'll add that in as well. And then I'm also going to have some raspberries, and then snack will be all ready to go for the week. I'm going to put my lids on, and it's really great. They just stack perfectly, saves room in the refrigerator, and they're ready to go. Like I said, I just love the bright colors of these. They're so cute and great quality. All right, so my broccoli beef is all done. It was so easy, so quick. So I'm gonna portion it into my meal prep containers. But first I have my riced cauliflower. It was just frozen, really easy for this quick meal prep. So I'm gonna portion it into my meal prep containers first. And now I'll add in my beef and broccoli. All right, so my meals are all prepped for the week, super quick, really healthy, so I'm ready to go. So I have my chia seed pudding for breakfast. I have my snack pack ready to go for my mid-morning snack. And then I have this keto beef and broccoli with a side of riced cauliflower for lunch. Everything is all ready to go for the week, so I'm all set. I will put the recipe for all of this in the description box. I will link all of my meal prep containers as well. These are really great, really good quality. I love my glass meal prep containers also. So I will link those if you need some new ones. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button if you haven't already, so you get a notification each time I post a new video. Thanks for watching this one. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.